Welcome back to JJ channel, and this channel is HTML/CSS episode 3. We are in episode 3 now. In the last episode we talk about how to create a title for your own website, which we did, and we saved inside our folder that we created on our desktop. So now in this episode we want to add CSS to our website. In HTML page we type in our code, but in CSS we are typing in the design, that is how the website will look like, how the format, the color, the write-up, everything will look like. I'm not here to take you on theoretical stuff. Let me just open one of the websites I designed on NYC websites. Let me open it for you. In my index page, let me open with Google Chrome. Boom. See, this is a small website. Let me just put it like that. Very easy to build. As you can see, all this write-up, all these stuffs here, they are written in HTML, but the design, how to make this image stand here, how to put this color, how to put this guy down here, and so on, is, please man, okay, good. We make use of CSS to do the design. So without wasting much time, let's go to our Atom. Open your Atom. I'll be opening my I'm opening my Atom now. Perfect. If you follow through the last episode, you will discover that we have our index here, our index.html here. And if you have this one, you can decide to close it or leave it. In case you did not see your own at all, go to File and go to Open File, browse your desktop, then select the folder. So then select the work, not the folder, the work. So that's it. Now I want to add CSS to our HTML. This is our HTML. Now let's add CSS to it. Let's link our CSS to our HTML, so that when we are dealing with HTML alongside, we are still talking about the CSS, so that this episode or this season won't be very long, because I don't want to make much bulk video at all, not at all. Now you can press Ctrl N, or you can just double click on this tab, this space here, double click on it. It will show you what untitled page. Then Ctrl S to save. Then we'll be saving it with our index.css. I've saved I saved one already, but let me delete it, please. Let me delete it. Good. Now we have index.css. Perfect. Now you can decide to save it any name, but it must have that extension .css. But since I saved my front page, that is my HTML, with index.html, so to make it very okay, that's why I'm using the same index.css. So go to what to save. Perfect. Now this is our index.css, and this one is our index.html. Now we want to link these two files together, so that whatsoever we are doing here, we can come here and make some design, some stylish design to make it look presentable. So now let's go to our index.html. Under the meta tag, this meta tag here, this tag, or you can put it anywhere within the head tag. Let me put it here under this place. Just press, if you are using this Atom software, press LIN, that is link. This thing will pop up, this thing here will pop up, then press enter. Perfect. Now come to this href, that is href, then cancel this place, cancel inside here. Make sure you don't cancel the major thing that quote it, that is the quote, then back it, that is cancel it. So write your index.css. Perfect. Index.css. So this means you've linked your CSS to your to your HTML, then press Ctrl S to save it. So that is all for this episode. Next episode will be writing some write-up in our website and making some kind of design inside the website too. So thanks, I hope you enjoy.